Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how do you make the power of 2 symbol in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make the symbol power of 2. Firstly, go to a blank page. Then go to the tool section, select the frame text tool and draw a text frame to this page. Then write anything on our keyboard. Then write 2. Now we want to make this 2 the power of symbol. Go to the window menu and select the text option and enable the character. Then enable the positioning and transform option. Choose the super and subscript option and make this superscript. Now we can see we make the 2 power of 2 very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.